Now we day here with a advice
Na so. Now we there here.
because even the line a chalk half a guide
Lasuba one.
I damn him when
Lasuba,
I
Lasuba.
had an atom. I have one we day here.
Okay. Let's go.
Exodus.
Off you.
Dancing daily. I told me what taking on my platform.
Lasuba, nke network na hang gị ọ dị ka ego abatabe. Nke a network gị na hang gị ọ dịkwa na mma. Lasu ka ọ ga-abụ na ị nara village. Ọ dị ka na ruru ụlọ ị nọ na Sudan eme ya bụ ife eme ya bụ vidio gị. Because nke ọ na-crack ụta I don't understand you. Anyway, please welcome back to my channel and make sure you like this video. Sorry for some of you that don't want to see her face. Oh, kind report, why are you always talking about this one? Don't you have other things to do? You are not following me. If you do, you will not say that. But I don't blame you. Some of you have, you always want to say something even when you're not supposed to say something. But for some of you, for those of you that appreciate what you do here, I appreciate you as well. Please make sure you like the video. God bless you. We are here again to respond to some of the nonsense, the lies this woman is dishing out because she's just dishing out lies like for free, for fun. We are here to talk about it and make sure, like I said, please share the video. Very important. Let's start because she has something to say.
I've only well
Okay, na hang you.
Na-achị eri ka onye a na-ahụ aka n'ike
mmadụ
m ụdị ọchị ụnụ na-achị ọchị ndị iyi na-eri afụbe m ebe nwoke ya nọkịta n'ọkwa ha mgbe ọchị na-achị n'ihe ọchị ya dị eme ọ na-adịkwa nso ọ na-adị m wonda
oke ụmụnwoke wee taa ma afa ga-eji wee chọọchị Lasuba ihe ka ọchịchị ga-achịkwa ọfụma ụmụ anyị they have license to laugh anytime they want ike gị gwara mmadụ
na na-achị onchi onye nsogbu chekere na n'anya program ị na-eme for how many months na na social media
ọkọwa
Exodus program ibe gị na ha nọrọ program ha enwecha na viewers
ị na-anụkwa
nwee stream yard gụnwa na-enweghị ego go stream yard
ime ihe a
ị na-agwa nneka ịma na-enwe stream yard na-use my program ka ego stream yard
mmanwụ
so my program ihe gonyele Kai television stream yard
bam
my program ihe gonyele kelenna stream yard
nke a kọmụntị ọfụ
ụmụ ada ndị gbuo ka eji wee gonye progress of idiot stream yard
Lasuba ife na-agụ gị ọgbara ọtọ na shop if you be in that teacher like when people use your program that person automatically receive gift of gadget from who? Okay, each and every day I can get na take $400. Okay, each and every one go get na take for $400. Okay, how did you know? Okay. Oh, you got weird go ga kids we ezozugwa gị ị na-amahụgo ya na ahịa ka n'ike I don't blame him ogwe gị geche that your vote of thanks to oge nkere na amahụche like that but I don't like to insult people, you understand, so I will not join Ezodus to say that. I will not join him to say that. Ezodus, I don't know what is wrong with you. Lasuba ke na gwodo kwa Lasuba kwa ama m na ekwute m nke a na
na-eme program ụtụtụ na-efie n'abalị kịta efu na ebedo na-arụbu too much mgbe wetara gị Ngozi
ude ebe iji wee follow back ọsọ taa ebube gị na-achụ ndị mmadụ ọsọ ibe ebe a wee ịma na ide aghụghọ ọ ga-achụ gị na US Act. And now you think you have changed that narrative in the minds of people that now people that to you people sees you that like you are the one that resigned. You forgot that you even call people. Gini ka mere eji suspension. Gini ka mere gini ejugida from suspension. I say okay, you are hereby banned It is not Kakodema, I mean independent media. We were going to independent media before. You have been independent media for the one since the one, but they gave you chance because Kodwa can as only Kuru Majan or Majan, habis na nakpado only represent Majan. Mana mistake in this similar than Hama thought that Naja and I don't know, they don't depend on Naja or I just Joji because I just don't know Jiko or can organize Jinan. Yeah, organize anyway,
And
let's
then
continue.
Kinyo, I can't above with guys on my program. With my program, by in a church, we only
Na ke uda message sumule ebe a na-ewe ya ife nke o wekasị ya and the woman ọnọkwa na why Lasuba is trying to maintain dancing her usual dancing since almost getting to 1 week now, right? Since they announced that PM has been convicted and all that, she used that dancing, which we criticize. Since then, she has been dancing just to make it look like is her routine. Why I said, ma, you have to have brain before you become a good liar.
terrible. So, Exodus, the way you were preacher, that Namu watch him, I'm going to up and out.
As a chameleon, this
The
nation.
way you were preacher, no more to Pasalopi.
Wana wetu pasakwana gobi. Kedu onye mana onye ha wuru burukutu na. Oke kedu ga-eji akpachapụ ya kịta otu nọkịta gata ụsa gobi. Gwa na-echenji ka wede udu mmiri. Ha no na. Ọ na season weather ka idike iwe ike apụta na n'afọ na sun awa na-acha. Before you know it na mmiri edejiri. Church agbasabe. Ka ị na-akọ ihe. Ka ị ga-akpacha na na-eche gị match activity your activity so far na. The person will answer okay. Let me rely on why you such. A man no yeah need about on on colors. The person must be on colors. It's not possible. Because I'm na side you will kiss when I you got La Zuba, please let me just go straight to the program. Forget about it here in Akokwan anyway, but I don't know. Let's see.
I can't do all of it.
More. Otu one.
I want to know you give me back. Onye ahụ adị m eso mmadụ nwee n'isi ime onye ahụ na-eje ụzọ ana m esie no ọwụrụ ada ndị gbuo ọwụrụ na njem ahụ ndị mmadụ nwụgoro ne I don't blame you.
Iki akwana.
Very useless people. Unu niile.
Ọka na ekokwe.
All of you. Ebe nnọkụ na-eje chiche of unu na.
Ejima.
Oh my God. For how many months now, Exodus?
Go and like you are the one counting months. Nobody, to be honest with you, the whole thing is just to me. This is just like it's 2 months ago. You know, sometimes it shocked me to notice that it's already 8 months to 9 months. You know that kind of thing. I don't even. Oh, go and corner. You are the one carrying everything, and it's too heavy for you. So people don't even notice what you are talking about. Whereas you are the one counting months. What does that mean? It simply means that you are not finding it funny.
Can I go on social media week? Still, we focus on what we church. Your program had to make him smile.
Oche go na bore why? Born na. Let me go back to let me see. Okay, I think you're about to start. Just please, let's continue because let's start talking about. There's a video of CS that she played. That's what I want.
In my program, go make and then know my message.
Ewo?
And then my time make because soon
or different message. We are sharing it for people to know how to hear the stupidity coming out from you. If you be telling people not to share it, what are they sharing? Maybe in Amo. So this woman, you actually believe that people watching you, they're watching you out of love. If they got somebody na maybe mmadụ just nọ tikapụ akwa gbara ọtọ a ga-enene ya na ụmụ nwoke ga-akwụ na ya na kama ka suweri ọta ife na-akọ na ọ tisweri. So don't see it as something that you are special. No, you should be busy looking for a cloth to cover yourself. You don't need to turn around and start celebrating people that are standing waiting to see your nakedness. No. If you have something upstairs, you should know that your focus should be on how to cover your body because you naked yourself unknowingly. So seeing people gather to see your nakedness does not mean that you are important. They just want to see your nakedness, nothing more. So your focus should have been, what will I do now to cover my nakedness? Not by celebrating that a lot of people are watching you. When you know that they are watching you because you are naked.
program. Ndị mmadụ a na-awọchi onye awọchi ya side nke m nwa ya wọchi
Now
ya
they
side
share program for people to see how gullible and stupid you sound.
eh ọsọ ivu
Akparawagia.
destroyer
Oh,
awụnwenye anwụ kwasa tonas ife ada ndị mbụ na ndị egede wepụ ya ntị
okay.
na ụmụazị
No,
those
I
family
just want to
this
hear.
evening.
Listen. No, no, no. Wait again, wait a moment.
Tunde ji wee ejiri nnapa were chụọ aja
Uh-huh. No,
ụnụ eze this evening.
I want her to
King
say
George wepụtara kenu ntị kunu know another line this
listen,
criminal
listen.
ọrụ Ngozi Olabueze wepụtara
Ebe a ka this man low ya one cover. I'm coming na me call but nke o mere ebe a. Please listen, get it.
the criminal deceiver saboteur kọrụ Ngozi Olabueze na-enyi ya kenu ntị
Get the friend
ọ maka ndị Igbo ụmụ nwaanyị Igbo ya believe this rubbish ụmụ nwaanyị Igbo ya believe na this criminal ụmụ nwaanyị Igbo ya believe na terrorist ya onye ọbụla ya believe na this rubbish this woman from Jigawa kwuru ọnwụ maka nna ekele
Lasuba. Lasuba. Why is Sudan? Na agwa mmadụ na ọ bụ ejigawa. Hi. Wonder shall never end. A Sudanese woman, official name ya bụ Lasuba. Nọkwa na document ya o. Ka ịfụ ka na ndị mmadụ atụrụtara uche ndị mmadụ. Ege ntị.
An idiot. Look at this nonsense this woman. Let me reply and go to Olabueze this evening.
Thank you. I'm not saying this to personalize it to anyone. Honestly.
I am not saying this to mesmerize this to anyone.
Always make sure your children go to school.
Now,
Always make sure that your children go to school. To avoid ụmụaka gị ịtọ ọnụ ka nwaanyị ka Lasuba. Be very good advice. Mana gezie ntị nwaanyị Lasuba nọkwa ka ibe nyere advice gezie ntị ka o so twist dị ozi. Gezie ntị ọnụ ya ịfụ dị ka ọnụ azụ mmiri kọrọ ọnụ gee ntị na nke ife ọ ga-ekwu na just pay attention.
Ngozi Olabueze n'ebe a wee na-esendiri meseji
Na-egekwe ntị.
Tunde ji wee ejiri nnapa wee chụọ
Obere ịfụ ashịwa ya bụ dịka ọ bụ na asị bụ lesi no natural resources like crude oil. I swear those man would have been the richest like if you are good in lying, the more good you are dish that lie, the more wealthy or richer you become. Why I will na amaka self. Oh, Elon Musk ga-abụ ga na-efiche nwaanyị ya bụ be ya because ego ya ga-abụ bọkọbọkọ. Negative.
unu gere ntị mgbe kedu afọ ya na
mgbe gịnị kwuo ọkụkwe story
agbalụọ si na ha chọrọ isi mmadụ 40 mmadụ 80 isi na-abụ n'ichi steeti eji wee chụọ aja na fa ya emeki sure na ụmụazị those family ata ha afụfụ na ha ya emeki sure that na etake down na ba take care of ụmụazị ahụ inye anything ọwụ na fa chọrọ. Ya ka Ngozi Olabueze bịa na social media si na ya anaghị ekwu ụkwa iji wee pressurize anybody.
Oh, pressurized.
But
Okay.
they make sure. Now you make sure that their children go to school. Get on to go get on
Okay.
to.
Can I get it again? Can I for clever?
Actually, Kunu get into.
Thank you. I'm not saying this to personalize it.
Now I'm not saying this thing to to Kenant again.
Oh, who was it? I hear you, man.
I'm not saying this to personalize it to any.
Also personalize it to anybody.
Okay.
I'm not saying this to personalize it to anybody.
Okay. Yeah.
Kenant.
Honestly, honestly,
Honestly, not again.
Yes. I need to. Yeah.
always make sure
Always make sure.
your children go to school.
Almost make sure
Always, not almost. Why? Onekukwe.
that your children go to school. John Ngozi Alabezo never call they live in this
Nigga
message.
going to now. Kifu this one be expert na he drive lies and they get to go to Bulgaria now. They watch.
John Ngozi Alabezo don't know they live in this message. See how Ngozi Alabezo see we live for this message. See the kind of for Ngozi Alabezo see we on Biafrans. This is the message God they send you out. Message God they send you particular people. God they send you this message.
Okay, which is who?
Ndomwa nwụrụ anwụ ndị egwu nafa.
Oh my tummy. This man, it's not why his name. It's not why his name. Okay, the message put no more how. So always train your children well. Nah, bam, 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 bam. I'm not coming now. I feel for you. Honestly, I don't mean to insult out. I feel for you. I feel for you. I understand. But serious, how do serious ekutoku okay, Kosuma and Lasuba get what is it? Or does it not on Lasuba like you people should not make sure you train your school, make sure your children go to school so that your children will not end up be like this woman. And the woman in her own response is trying to prove to you that nah another reason you need to train your children because they go to all the keta. Even few clips, just this how many seconds video. Why I waited the bodies in a straight. Also, call that no when they demand the two head from each state. Then the 40 state was not for 8 states, a 48 head, I don't understand. Call 40 head. Because if the reference is 40 states and two head should be 80 head then. Now she said, nah, somebody demanded for head, bring it from two states. So meaning that Ngozi is making the video to tell them if you to wear the statement. Chineke very mad ebere. Please, I'm not gonna go further on this one. I just want you to hear this part and the beginning of the her nonsensical video. But before then, let's just give her a few seconds.
On the guru na nafa. Marandona send this message unde guru nafa. Can we turn on this thing back? Body movement in Ngozi Alabezo.
Body
God
movement.
send this message.
And
Body
arrest.
movement in Ngozi Alabezo. God send this message.
Okay, play it back.
And unegesiente kosi wule kwokwa kanjuzu or Biafrans corner is this message for particular people. Genante.
Okay, it's not bad.
Yes. Slay. Thank you. I'm not saying this to personalize it to anyone.
Personalize it anywhere, okay.
Honestly, always make sure your children
Always make sure your children
go to school.
go to school. Always make sure your children. I'm not saying this.
Please shut up your mouth. Yeah, God is so irritating. The message is because having another you in future is a problem. Having another you in future is a problem. That's what it means. Ị na-ekwu na ndị gburu gị na ndị Igbo ọdụkwa ka this man na-ata anụmanụ because the rate isi ekwu okwu ndị gburu ọ dị ka anụmanụ na-akụkọ. Are you sure that you are not egwusa anụ ndị mmadụ biko because ọ bụrụ na ụka anụmanụ na-akọ gị na kpọrọ ndị Boko Haram ka achọrọ gị achọrọ abịa gị sọ. Anyway, please tell me what you think about this. I would like to hear from you. And remember, the same woman na-ekwu ya gwa gị na iwe n'aka finger like this while talking is a sign of jihadist. Nekwe ebe ọ na-ewere nke ya, nekwe na fa ebe a. Ike gị gwụrụ mmadụ. Please make sure you like the video, please, and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Take care.